As they say, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. That's why we made sure collaborating in OnePageCRM is both easy and efficient. Some complex or long deals might require the efforts of several team members to get them over the line. Say a prospect has a strictly technical inquiry. It only makes sense to bring a technical person, like Nina here, into the conversation. Once the inquiry is resolved, with a note and a quick mention, Nina can make sure everyone's updated and on the same page. Brian here will be instantly notified about the comment, and the sale can safely move forward. Sometimes unforeseen circumstances, like a salesperson being out sick, can get in the way of closing a deal. In OnePageCRM, you can use the team stream to easily check the contacts they are working on and lend a hand if needed. When it comes to external collaboration, we've got you covered there as well. For example, you've got an external person working on your lead generation. You can make them a focused user, ensuring they have access only to their own contacts and can solely focus on bringing in those leads. Once their job is done and the contact is ready to progress to the next stage, they can simply change its status and assign it to the internal team member responsible for qualifying. The contact will no longer belong to the focused user, while the next team member has all the information they need to move this contact forward. With OnePageCRM, your team runs like a well-oiled sales machine, so go on and close more deals together.